In this quiet room, your voice echoes in my heart. Every note we sing brings us closer tonight.
Spirits of the ancient ones, I call upon you. Guide my hand, let your wisdom flow through me. Awaken the power within.
In the silence of the night, I hear the whispers of the wind, guiding me back to the place where my spirit begins. Oh, hear my song, let it carry on. In the quiet of the night, I hear your call, whispers of the wind breaking down my walls. I'll sing until the dawn, my spirit free. This is my song for all to see.
I keep thinking about what you said. It just made me feel so vulnerable. But I think I'm starting to understand. I've been thinking about us and how much you mean to me. It's moments like this that make everything feel so right. I just wanted you to know. Hi, I'm Z. This jacket from Z is so comfortable, and it moves with me. Fashion that moves you. This is what fashion feels like. It moves with you. Welcome to Z, where fashion moves you. Feel the power of style. Fashion that moves you. It's more than style, it's a feeling. Let it move you. Fashion that moves you. Feel the confidence, feel the elegance. Let it move you. This is what freedom feels like. Welcome to Z, fashion that moves you. This off-the-shoulder top is perfect for any occasion. It's stylish, comfortable, and lets you move freely. Find your perfect style at Z. Fashion that moves you. Introducing Z. Elevate your style. Fashion that moves you. Feel the elegance.
Z, fashion that moves you.
Let's move. Feel the energy of the city. This is fashion that moves you. Step into your power with Z. Z, fashion that moves you. Own your style. Move with purpose.
Fashion that moves you. Feel the comfort and style. Z, your movement, your fashion.